Step 8. Recommended tools. The right tools can save you time, help you find profitable products, and manage your business more efficiently. Let's look at my top recommendations. Product research. Helium 10. Keyword and product research. For product research, Helium 10 let you analyze demand, competition, and keywords so you can spot winning products. Pricing and repricing. Seller Snap. Automated repricing. Repricing tools automatically adjust your prices to stay competitive and maximize profits. Accounting and finance. Shopkeeper. Profit tracking. Wise. International payments. Shopkeeper helps track your profits and expenses, while Wise is great for managing international payments with lower fees. Advertising and SEO. Use PPC management tools and keyword trackers to optimize your ads and improve your product rankings over time. With Helium 10, you can also do these tasks. Why tools matter. Save time. Make better decisions. Grow faster. These tools don't just save time, they help you make smarter business decisions and grow faster. Up next, Step 9. How to find profitable products. Now that you know the best tools, let's use them to find profitable products for your Amazon store.